Yo, what's up everybody? I'm about to show you a real cool experiment to do with soda cans. It's really cool, so let's check it out. Okay, so I got two aluminum cans right here, and I'm gonna put just a little bit of water in it. Just a little bit of water. And then we're gonna wait until the water starts boiling, and you see the steam come out the can, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so the water's boiling in here, and you pick it up. Make sure you use those tongs, because just pick it up and dip it upside down in the cold water. See, you see that? And I'm floating. Let's do that again with the other can. Yeah, make sure you be careful. Well, I did it with the other can, so. But yeah. Let's try this again with these other cans. And also a quick tip, make sure the warm water stays in the can, otherwise it won't implode just like the other can did. So yeah, just be careful when you take it off. So yeah, so kids, make sure you have adult supervision when you do this experiment. Well, let's try this one more time. Actually, I'm gonna put the bowl a little bit closer. Whoa! You see that? Imploding can science experiment. Thumbs up. Well, that was kind of a fun experiment. I just had to do I had to do a try 2 times with the other can, so I think the water had to stay in the can. So yeah, otherwise it won't work. So yeah, I think the pressure of the steam in the can, since there was boiling water in there, yeah, I think the pressure actually made the can implode, and that's called implosion. So yeah, I mean, that's what happened to the soda cans. And as you can see, completely imploded. So, yeah, again, kids, please make sure you have a dose of profession when you do this experiment. So, I really hope you guys really enjoyed that. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day. And as always, peace out.